Salman Khan is perhaps the most eligible bachelor of Bollywood, but did he marry Crocodile? No, but someone else does. The mayor of a small rural town in Mexico has tied the no with a large, alligator-like reptile known as a caiman, and if you think she's rough to look at, you should see his new mother-in-law. No, but seriously, this man really did marry a reptile, at least in a ceremonial sense. According to AFP, Victor Hugo Sosa, mayor of San Pedro Huamelula. I know I don't have to tell you this, but that's a small town of indigenous Chontal people in the Tehuantepec Isthmus of Mexico. But, again, you knew that. His lovely bride, remember it's always polite to say, lovely, bride is a female caiman named Alicia Adriana, and their wedding was part of an ancestral ritual. It symbolizes the union of local indigenous groups some 230 years ago, which is way more recent than I would have thought. Seriously, I saw this referred to as an ancient ritual. It's newer than Independence Day. Regardless, it's a very unique celebration that has deep symbolic meaning. One of the indigenous groups that was united back in the day was symbolized by a caiman. That's where the tradition comes from. That's all well and good, but this is also the kind of backstory one cooks up if they simply want an excuse justification for marrying a reptile.